Welcome to the ISE Barcelona, the annual tech show for the systems integration and audio-visual industry. So let's find out what's happening in 2026. Well, it is day one of ISE in Barcelona for 2026, and we're here with AD Techno. And Jose, it's great to see you.
Thank you very much. It's great to see you as well. Welcome to our booth.
Oh yeah, so I'm dying to hear what you are showcasing this year. But first of all, for those who don't know about AD Techno, who are you, what do you do?
Yeah, well, AD Techno, it's basically a technology-driven manufacturer from Japan. We are capable of bringing IP-based solutions for the AV market and the Pro AV market. And right now we are bringing our Dante Ultra line to introduce to everybody.
So you're showcasing this specifically at ISE. Has there been much interest yet?
Well, at the moment, we are pretty new. We, of course, in Japan, we do have some customers already. Some live venues, very big live venues that actually use our devices. So yeah, I think there's a lot of excitement for what we can bring to the market.
And Jose, what specifically then are you showcasing here on the booth?
Yeah, so as mentioned previously, we are here with our Dante AV Ultra line. We are bringing all our devices. Mainly, we have our DAV01 over here. This is mainly targeting the broadcast industry and live events, big venues. We have a little screen on it that allows you to look at the signal. So if you have a big installation, you know where you're not getting a signal. We also have 12 GSDI ports, so you can do some analog connections. And if you don't require that amount of complexity in your structure, you can use our smaller version. It's called the DAV02. And it's the same quality for transference of information and low latency, everything it has in the 01, but it's just a little bit smaller. You only have HDMI and USB ports. And we also have over here in our display, it's an Intel SDM type card. It's called the DAV03 SBL. And it just plugs and plays in displays and projectors. And it really helps with increasing the complexity or increasing the scope of your structures without adding a lot of complexity. Yeah, and I think the most important thing for the show this time, it's our new device. It's the DAV Control Nexus. It's a dedicated control box that you are going to be able to use without a PC. We have an internally developed, a browser-based web GUI, so you can use that to control your Dante devices, and we actually have some capability with third-party manufacturers, so I think this is going to be a game changer for the industry.
And the ISE is the perfect showcase for what you're offering. What are your hopes then? What are you going to be telling people all about, and the use cases specifically?
Oh, so yeah, we are targeting a lot of markets, especially because we have a broad range of devices that can be used for broadcasting. So live venues, but we also have some options for people who don't need something so big. So meetings, conference rooms, some education purposes, and in the case of ISE, I think everybody's here, right? I just seen the booths around, and every single market that we can think of, it's here at ISE.
And is that difficult then, because you have so many different types of customers, and perhaps people that wouldn't have come to ISE before are perhaps coming to see about what they could do for their education establishment, etc.?
Well, yeah, in a way it is, but in another way it actually isn't, because we're basing on our strategy in Dante. So Dante, it's already like a golden standard in the market for audio, and a lot of places are already using it. And I think the important thing about Dante is that it's really easy and very intuitive. So it's just trying us to bring our solution to make that simplicity and intuitivity into the video market as well.
And being easy to use. So obviously Dante, such a well-known brand, yeah. But Dante AV Ultra, what does that do? What level of experience does that give the end user? Yeah,
so the difference between Dante AV and other let's say type of devices and our AV Ultra is that we can bring really good video quality with zero latency almost. The human eye cannot detect it. It's really fast. The transmission of information, it's really quick. And we are compressing our devices. They compress the information, so we can use 1 gigabyte networks, which will help in the overall structure to keep the cost down. And we also have the compatibility with Dante, so it's super easy, it's really simple, almost plug and play.
Wow, it sounds really impressive. In terms of the trends that you're seeing in the industry, what are you picking up at the minute? What is everybody talking about?
Yeah, so I think basically a lot of analog applications are going away, and the AV over IP requirements are increasing in the market. Thanks to that, and mixed to the fact that Dante is already big in the market, in the case of our trends for the future, it's just trying to increase the footprint of our devices along with the Dante AV Ultra, so that a lot of people start using it more often. Once they see how simple and intuitive it is, I think they will start getting it more often. Yeah.
And ISE, it's a super showcase for you, and it seems to be a fabulous buzz this year.
Yeah. I think we have a lot of meetings lined up. We are starting to increase our, let's say our scope in the overseas market. Actually, that's why I started working at AD Techno. I'm going to be trying to develop the market in the overseas. And with Dante being spread all over the world, I think it's going to be easy with the fact, accounting for the fact that our devices are pretty good.
So you'll be getting lots of air miles then, you'll be flying a lot.
Yeah, let's get those upgrades.
Well, it was a good luck with the future. Lovely to talk to you here in Barcelona.
Thank you very much.